Trane Supply is a retail, wholesale, business-to-business hybrid organization. So it's important that we have a diverse skill set within our workforce.
Different ideas, different personalities, different people willing to work together for one common goal.
And Trane Supply does a fantastic job of hiring the best people for the job. When I was job hunting, it was discouraging how many jobs were listed, bachelor's degree required. I felt the paper ceiling. I may not have a 4-year degree, but I wanted the opportunity to lead. I wanted the opportunity to grow.
Trane Supply is a lot of different roles for stars to come into the company. Hiring stars and bringing in people that have the right mindset for growth and innovation, it's important. I came into the organization with a HVAC certificate and a retail background.
My background is warehouse. I had experience in managing teams of 5 to 8.
I came into Trane with merchandising experience. I knew how to work with customers. Trane really showed me how to use those tools to my best advantage. I have had the best mentors. Terry's been with Trane over 16 years. With Trane Supply, they have a lot of opportunities for additional training.
If you're investing in yourself, they will invest in you.
Through the years, I've experienced so much upskilling and development opportunities within Trane. I feel like it's given me basically a Trane MBA. I've gone from a counter associate, 18 years later, a regional general manager over 35 stores.
I originally came into the company as a warehouse associate. That translated into counter service associate, and I am currently a store leader.
I was a customer sales associate for 6 years, and this is my first role leading a team as store lead.
If Trane wasn't tearing the paper ceiling, they'd be missing out on workforce. Stars are a third of our company. We've proven that there's these folks that don't have a 4-year degree, but they can run circles around anybody in their particular field of expertise. And they bring outside perspectives and different ideas and challenge what we think is the best known way. And that really helps us to be an innovator in our industry.
Stars have the skills to fill higher wage jobs.
It's time to tear the paper ceiling.